Think you need a huge following to start affiliate marketing? Think again. I'll show you exactly how to make it work without one. In this video, we're diving into the exciting world of affiliate marketing, specifically focusing on how you can kickstart your journey even if you don't have an existing audience. Many aspiring marketers often feel discouraged by the misconception that a large following is a prerequisite for success in this field. If you want to see more videos like this, please support the channel by subscribing, sharing, and liking the video. However, this video aims to debunk that myth and show you that it's entirely possible to thrive in affiliate marketing without a pre-established audience. Viewers can expect to learn practical strategies and actionable tips that will empower them to begin their affiliate marketing ventures from scratch. We'll explore various methods to identify profitable niches, select the right affiliate programs, and leverage different platforms to promote products effectively. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals, known as affiliates, promote products or services from various companies and earn a commission for each sale made through their referral. At its core, affiliate marketing simplifies the process of connecting consumers with products they may be interested in, while allowing affiliates to monetize their efforts without having to create their own products. Essentially, it's a win-win situation for both parties involved. The potential for earning commissions through affiliate sales can be significant, especially as affiliates build their marketing skills and expand their reach. Commissions can vary widely depending on the affiliate program, ranging from a small percentage of the sale to a flat fee per transaction. Some programs even offer recurring commissions for subscription-based products, providing affiliates with a steady stream of income over time. As affiliates grow their audience and refine their marketing strategies, they can increase their earnings potential. This scalability is one of the most appealing aspects of affiliate marketing, as it allows individuals to generate income passively while promoting products they genuinely believe in. Overall, affiliate marketing presents an accessible opportunity for anyone looking to earn money online, regardless of their prior experience or audience size. Introducing our strategy for affiliate marketing is a game changer for those looking to maximize their earning potential without relying on a pre-existing audience. This concept revolves around optimizing your content to rank on search engines like Google, allowing you to attract organic traffic to your affiliate links. The benefits of implementing a search strategy are numerous. It not only helps you reach a wider audience, but also establishes your credibility and authority in your chosen niche. By focusing on search engine optimization, or SEO, you can create valuable content that resonates with users actively seeking information or solutions related to the products you promote. Creating content that ranks on Google is crucial for driving traffic to your affiliate offers. This involves conducting keyword research to identify terms and phrases that potential customers are searching for. By strategically incorporating these keywords into your blog posts, articles, or videos, you can improve your chances of appearing in search results. High-quality, informative content not only attracts visitors, but also encourages them to engage with your affiliate links, ultimately leading to conversions. Additionally, consistently producing optimized content can help you build a loyal audience over time, further enhancing your affiliate marketing success. The difference between traditional affiliate marketing and this approach lies primarily in the method of audience acquisition. Traditional affiliate marketing often leverages existing social media followings or email lists to promote products. While this can be effective, it limits the potential reach to only those already familiar with the affiliate. In contrast, this method focuses on attracting new visitors through organic search, allowing you to tap into a broader market. This approach diversifies your traffic sources and reduces dependency on social media algorithms, which can be unpredictable. By embracing a search strategy, you position yourself for long-term success in affiliate marketing, creating a sustainable income stream that grows as your content gains visibility and authority online. Golfing is a particularly effective niche example for illustrating the search strategy for affiliate marketing due to its broad appeal and diverse range of products. Golfing enthusiasts span various demographics, from casual anglers to serious sport fishermen, creating ample opportunities for affiliate marketers. This niche is popular and offers many products including golfing cups, golfing attire, balls and bags, making it an ideal choice for this tutorial. To find opportunities for affiliate marketing within the fishing niche, start by conducting thorough research on popular products and services. Utilize tools like Google Trends to identify trending topics and keywords related to golfing. Additionally, explore affiliate networks such as Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or Commission Junction to discover fishing-related affiliate programs. Look for products that have high demand and good commission rates, such as golf clubs, gold caddies, and accessories. By analyzing customer reviews and ratings, you can also gauge which products resonate most with your target audience, allowing you to promote items that are likely to convert. Creating content that speaks directly to your niche audience, such as how-to guides, product reviews, and golfing tips, will help you rank higher on search engines and attract organic traffic. By focusing on the golfing niche, you can effectively implement a search strategy that not only drives traffic but also builds a loyal community of golfing enthusiasts eager to explore the products you recommend. Utilizing Google and YouTube for affiliate marketing can significantly enhance your traffic and conversion rates, as both platforms are interconnected and serve as powerful tools for reaching potential customers. Google, being the largest search engine, drives a substantial amount of traffic to YouTube, which is the second most popular search engine. This relationship means that content optimized for Google can also gain visibility on YouTube, allowing you to tap into a vast audience across both platforms. By leveraging this synergy, you can maximize your affiliate marketing efforts and reach users at different stages of their buying journey. To create content that appears in search results on both Google and YouTube, start by conducting keyword research to identify relevant terms that your target audience is searching for. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find high-traffic keywords related to your niche. Once you have your keywords, incorporate them naturally into your content titles, descriptions, and tags. For YouTube videos, ensure that your thumbnails are eye-catching and your titles are compelling, as these elements play a crucial role in attracting clicks. Additionally, creating high-quality, informative content that addresses the needs and questions of your audience will help improve your rankings on both platforms. One of the standout advantages of YouTube content is its longevity compared to other social media platforms. While posts on platforms like Instagram or Facebook may quickly fade from users' feeds, YouTube videos can continue to attract views and generate traffic long after they are published. This evergreen nature of video content means that your affiliate links can remain active and profitable for an extended period, providing a steady stream of income. Moreover, as your videos accumulate views, they can gain authority and rank higher in search results, further increasing your visibility. By effectively utilizing Google and YouTube together, you can create a robust affiliate marketing strategy that not only drives traffic but also builds a sustainable income stream over time. Emphasizing quality content and strategic optimization will ensure that your efforts yield lasting results in the competitive world of affiliate marketing. Creating valuable content is paramount for successful affiliate marketing, as it directly influences audience engagement and conversion rates. One key distinction to consider is the difference between AI-generated content and user-generated content. While AI can produce text and videos quickly, it often lacks the personal touch and unique insights that come from real users. User-generated content, on the other hand, reflects genuine experiences and opinions, making it more relatable and trustworthy to potential customers. This authenticity fosters a deeper connection with your audience, encouraging them to engage with your content and consider your affiliate recommendations. To create engaging videos that provide real value, focus on addressing the specific needs and interests of your target audience. Start by identifying common questions or challenges within your niche and develop content that offers practical solutions. Incorporate storytelling elements to make your videos more compelling. Sharing personal anecdotes or experiences can help viewers relate to your content on a deeper level. Additionally, ensure that your videos are visually appealing and well edited, as high production quality can enhance viewer retention and engagement. Authenticity in content creation is crucial for building trust with your audience. When viewers perceive your content as genuine, they are more likely to take your recommendations seriously. Be transparent about your affiliate partnerships and share your honest opinions about the products you promote. This honesty not only strengthens your credibility, but also encourages your audience to return for more content in the future. Engaging with your audience through comments and feedback can further enhance this sense of community, making them feel valued and heard. In this video, we've covered essential insights on how to start affiliate marketing without an existing audience, emphasizing that success in this field is entirely achievable even for beginners. One of the key takeaways is that affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting products or services, and you don't need a large following to get started. Instead, focusing on creating valuable content and utilizing search strategies can help you attract organic traffic and build your presence over time. We also discussed the importance of selecting a niche that resonates with you, as this will make it easier to create authentic and engaging content that speaks to your target audience. As we wrap up, I encourage you to take action by subscribing to our channel and engaging with our content. Your support not only helps us grow, but also ensures you stay updated with the latest tips and strategies in affiliate marketing. Don't hesitate to leave comments or questions. We love hearing from you and are here to help you on your journey. Finally, I invite you to explore our related content for further learning. We have a wealth of other videos and resources that delve deeper into specific aspects of affiliate marketing, from niche selection to content creation strategies. By continuing to educate yourself, you'll be better equipped to navigate the affiliate marketing landscape and achieve your goals. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.